How to create Upwork account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create Upwork account. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to upwork.com. Once you're here, click on the sign up option. Now select if you want to join as a client or freelancer. Then click on apply. Here, you can sign up using your Apple account or your Google account, or you will have to enter these details such as first name, last name, email, then create your password. Now select your country. Now check the box that says you understand the terms and condition, then click on create my account option. Now you will have to verify your email. For that, click on the go to Gmail inbox option. You will find an email sent by Upwork. Simply click on the verify email option. Once your email has been verified, now you want to click on the get started option. You will have to fill up some details here. Start by answering these questions. You can also skip them if you want. Now you want to tell a bit about yourself. If you want to fill it out manually, click on the third option. Now, one by one, you want to answer all of these questions. Then add your work experience. Now add your education. Next, you want to select which languages you speak. After this, the next thing you want to do is write an overview. For the overview, you want to write a bio to tell a bit about yourself. Next, you want to enter in your hourly rate. After that, you will have to enter your photo and location. Click on this profile icon here and click on the upload option to upload from your gallery. Once you have added your profile picture, next step is to enter your location. Next step is to enter your date of birth, then enter your location, enter your phone number, and click on the review your profile option. Check all the details here, then click on submit profile. As you can see, your profile is ready and your Upwork account has been created. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.